Hello, dear students of class 11. Very pleasant good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing well. Dear students, please remember that in our previous class, that is yesterday, I had told you unit number 7 and the sequences and the tenses. Sequence tense rule number 1, sequence of tense rule number 2, followed by some homeworks. Some of you have at least 20-25 students have done the homework very well with few mistakes. Dear students, today I am here with the answers. Immediately after this class, I will be uploading the answers, sending you the PDF of the answers also. Though I have written here, some of the answers may not be clear to you, so that I will just put the things for you. Dear students, now once again please pay attention here. Date 19/9/2020, class Total English, unit number 7, pages 106, 112, dictation of the answers first. That is what I am going to do. And here you will find assignment number 1, that is on page number 106 and 7. On page number 106 and 7, I have written the answers here. I will dictate the answer, then I will send you the PDF because the bottom part may not be clear, I do not know. Anyway, let us try. Answer number 1, look here, I have already written here, would help. First answer number 1 is would help, second one invites, third one emerges, fourth one have one, fifth one is, sixth one had made, seventh one might. These are the answers. I will read the sentence for you, then it will be clear. They assured us that they would help us. Would help us. Second, we shall not go there until he invites us. Third one, Gautam says that boredom emerges out of disinterestedness. Emerges. Fourth one, he will be happy to know that I have won a scholarship. Have won. Fifth answer, the mice will play when the cat is away. Is away. Sixth one, the trader told me that he had made a good profit. He had made a good profit. Seventh one, no one can help us help if you are dishonest. If you are dishonest, no one can help you. And the last one, eighth one, he studies so that he might win the prize. He might. Now I move to assignment number 2, that is on page number 108. Again I have written here. I hope that some of the answers are clear and some are not visible to you. I will read it and I will send the answer. So please pay attention. As I have already written here, first one knew, second one began, third one could, fourth one should, fifth one again could, sixth one was, seventh one might, eighth one were, ninth one moves, and the 10th one had come. Now I will read the sentence and I will dictate the answer once again for you. She boasted as if she knew everything. She knew. They came first, though they began last. Began. She swam as fast as she could. Fourth one, I was polite lest I should annoy him. Lest I should. Fifth one, we went to see him as many times as we could. Sixth one, he was absent because he was ill. Seventh one, I wrote it down so that I might not forget. I might not forget. Eighth one, he behaves as if he were deaf. Were deaf. Ninth one, he said that the planets moves, moves, moves around the sun. The last one, tenth one, we knew the lady who had come here, and sometimes you can write also who came here in simple past tense also you can write here. Now dear students, I move to the last homework, that is on page number 112. The answers I have written here. These answers are visible for you. Look at this corner here. Page number 12, answer number 1, that is put up with. Second one, put off or double F. Third one, passed by. Fourth one, passed out. See, look at the change of tense here. Passed out, passed by, pull in. Sixth one, pulled, that is pulled up. Sixth one, that is pulled up. Here U is missing, pulled up. Seventh one, pass for, and eighth one, the last one, put aside. Let me read the sentence and make the answer sure. Please pay attention. She can no longer put up his irritating behavior. Put up with. Second one, she can easily pass off, PASSOFF, for her daughter as she looks so young. Third one, she saw her as soon as they passed by to the driveway. Passed by. Then next one. Fourth one, the rules of the quiz were passed out to all the participants. We will stop them when they pull in. Pull in. Sixth one, the student was pulled up by the teacher for indiscipline. Pulled up. Seventh one, he can easily pass for as an actor. Pass for as an actor. Last one, eighth one, they put aside their differences and decided to work together. Thus, you have your homework assignments answers here, dear students. Now we move to specimens paper number 7. Here again we are not going to have much discussion. Already you have understood the pattern of our exam, pattern of the question paper. Thus, question number 1 is always the comprehension passage. Out of 6 you need to make any selection. That is quite clear for you now. And question number 2 A and B, both these things you have to write these answers in a separate test copy, so that when you come back to school I can check this one. So question number 2A, let me read it for you. Some boys have been roaming in your colony on their bikes at night. They disturb the residents of the area and appear to have dubious intentions. Dubious intentions means doubtful plan, some kind of secret plan. Write an article for a local newspaper entitled Bikers Menace. Base your report on the details given below. 20 marks. Name of the colony, details of the boys, their age, looks, physical build-up, the activities they indulge in at night, the inconveniences to the residents, fears of the residents regarding their intentions. So these are the plans. So based on this plan, you will write to your article for an article local newspaper. So please write this one. Now 2B, question number 2B, as the head boy, head girl of your school, you have been assigned the responsibility of setting up a book club in your school. where students and teachers will be able to deposit their old books. These books will be sent to a library run by a nearby slum colony by an NGO. Write a proposal in not more than 150 words stating the steps you would take to set up this book club. So, these two questions are compulsory. There you are able to gain 30 marks. Thus, it is very important question. Now, question number 3 you are very much familiar with, isn't it? Yes, question number 3, it has also got 3 parts, and you need to write this exercise number, that is question number 3 given on page number 114 and 115. That is your homework, which you will do in the textbook itself. Space is given, there you will write it with pencil so that you can make the correction later on. So accordingly, your first question 3a, you are asked to make the sentence as similar as possible without changing its meaning. The B part you have to make as equal to A. So the things are clear for you. Now question number B, that is fill in each blank with a suitable word. Do not copy the sentence. And question number 3, again you are familiar with A, B, C, page number 14 and 15. That is your homework for 15, 16. Now question number 4, that is the comprehension passage. Again this one you have to do here in your book, textbook here itself. A, B, find the meaning. So for these things you need to understand the passage. And the last question, that is on page number 119, that is summary writing of the question number 4. Dear students, please try to do it in the best possible way. Spend some time as you give time for various other subjects. Please give time for English one also, because language is the key to your success. So please pay attention. Thus, I am going to erase these answers. I will send the PDF and I will just jot down your homework. Please note your homework, pages 114, 16, 14, 16, 15, 16. Yes. Question number 3, A, B, C. Homework. Then question number 4, A, 1, 2, and the last one, that is C. Of these things you need to send the answers to me only question number 3 total, A, B, C. Rest you have to write. Question number 2 you will write in your separate test copy. Question number 3 you will write in the textbook and send to me. Then question number 4, A, B, see all those things that you will attempt in your workbook, in your textbook, and you will send me only the copy of question number 3 after completing it. Thus, dear students, we have completed our answers here. Homework answers and discussion of specimen paper number 7. Thus we have completed almost 7, and tomorrow once again I will be refreshing you about the rules and regulations of sequence of tenses, as some of you have mentioned. Alright, until then you take care. Bye bye. Thank you very much.